In Denver, a federal jury delivered a verdict against Mike Lindell, the founder of MyPillow, on Monday. The jury concluded that Lindell, known for his theories on election conspiracies, defamed Eric Coomer, a former employee of Dominion Voting Systems, after the 2020 presidential election. Coomer sued Lindell for labeling him a traitor and broadcasting allegations that he played a role in manipulating the election on Lindell's online platform. Coomer held the position of Security and Product Strategy Director at Dominion, a Denver-based company whose voting machines were embroiled in elaborate conspiracy theories propagated by supporters of former President Donald Trump. These allies have falsely alleged that President Trump's defeat by Democrat Joe Biden was the result of extensive fraud. Dominion previously won a substantial settlement of $787 million in a defamation lawsuit against Fox News for broadcasting false claims about the company. Dominion has also filed a lawsuit against the conservative network Newsmax, which had previously issued an apology to Coomer in 2021 for spreading falsehoods about him. During the two-week trial, Coomer testified that the defamatory statements had wreaked havoc on his career and personal life. His legal team argued that Lindell either knowingly spread false information or recklessly disregarded the truth. On the other hand, Lindell's defense stated that his online platform, previously known as Frankspeech, shouldn't be held accountable for remarks made by third parties. Lindell maintained that his decision to pursue the trial aimed to highlight the supposed need to eliminate electronic voting machines, which have been subjected to various conspiracy theories. He also revealed that his fortune had dwindled from $60 million to a $10 million debt after he began vocalizing his views on the 2020 election. Despite numerous reviews, recounts, and audits in key states confirming Joe Biden's victory, and despite a statement from Trump's Attorney General citing lack of evidence for widespread fraud, Lindell continued to publicly assert that the election was stolen. However, during the trial, he did not present any expert witnesses to substantiate his assertions. Lindell claimed that his perspective on the election's integrity was shaped by the HBO documentary Kill Chain and the opinions of Michael Flynn, Trump's former national security advisor. Lindell felt there was no reason to question Flynn's comments on potential foreign interference, given Flynn's intelligence experience across party lines. Addressing a rumor shared by a Colorado podcaster, Lindell stated he only learned about the claim during the trial. The podcaster alleged hearing a pre-election conference call where a person named Eric from Dominion guaranteed Trump wouldn't win. However, Lindell denied ever accusing Coomer of election rigging. Coomer's attorneys presented evidence of the severe impact the conspiracy theories had on his life. They argued that Lindell's statements further damaged Coomer, even though he wasn't mentioned by Lindell until February 2021. Coomer testified that these allegations cost him his job, mental health, and the life he had built. He found Lindell's comments, especially one made on May 9, 2021, characterizing Coomer's actions as treason, particularly distressing. Lindell's lawyers contended that Coomer's reputation had already been tarnished before Lindell's involvement, partly due to Coomer's own Facebook posts that were critical of Trump, which Coomer admitted were excessively harsh and regretful.